Trailblazer, a science museum on wheels.
The 40-foot interactive trailer is a hands-on exhibit that travels across the state.
This is my favorite trailer because it has all my favorite stuff to do. It has space, it has weather, it has technology, and I love it. I love this.
I wanted to learn about space.
Hopefully something will just kind of tick in their brain and say, wow, that's what I want to be when I grow up.
And that's what happened for 6-year-old Slayton.
Electric man.
I get interested because it's like a puzzle. You have to figure out the answer.
The 11-year-old says she wants to become an engineer.
My cousins pretty much always say that girls are not worth it, and like we should show them how strong we are, and we're actually smart.
And they write these little notes after they visited the TAME bus and saying, I think I am going to be an engineer.
I wanted to be in NASA, preferably mission control.
And with today's lesson,
I'm going to use it to study harder, and I'm going to use it to learn better.